Virgo, this is your reading for this month. You will get messages from your person and let's see what can you expect. This reading is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Spirit, messages from Virgo's person, please. Could be dealing with the Leo Virgo, or you could be having Leo in your chart. We have it's over. I want you physically and emotionally. We have June. We have I'm not ready. I need a break. You give me hope. I'm afraid you don't miss me. Whatever I do, wherever I go, you are always on the back of my mind. I'm not the one for you. I'm getting Virgo. You could be dealing with someone who is not talking to you at this time. This connection could be stagnant. I feel nothing is going on here. Things could have ended between you guys and now they are feeling hopeless. You gave this person hope. That's what I'm getting here. And now they think about you a lot. If you are missing them out of nowhere, just know they are thinking about you a lot. They are thinking about you 24/7. But they are afraid that you are moving on or you have already moved on. They are not ready to reach out. They are not ready to make a move towards you or to work on this connection. I don't feel this person is ready for a commitment, but they are very attracted towards you sexually and emotionally too. They want you. They need your emotional support. They need your love. But I feel when the time comes to give back that respect, that love, they are not ready for it yet. This person is selfish and insecure. They also feel that they are not the one for you. Yes, your energy could be very healing to them, but at the same time, they feel you are out of their league, Virgo. This is why they are afraid that they are not the one for you, and if they asked for a break or if they have ghosted you, they feel you are moving on, you are having options, or you are enough for yourself. You are not going to wait for them, and that's what they are feeling at this time, that you are not going to wait for them, or you have already moved on, that you are doing your thing, you are not chasing them. You are too good for me. Exactly. Very insecure person, Virgo. I don't know why they feel that they are not the one for you, that you deserve better. I'm also getting Virgo. They are afraid of you. They feel that you are better than them. They could be afraid that you are having options, or you would leave them one day because they are not good enough for you. This person needs to work on his or her confidence. That's what I'm getting here. I'm also getting they are actually not good for you, not because this is all in their head, but they are not man enough to confess their feelings or to take responsibility of their actions. At the bottom we have July, and here we have 21 days. I'm also getting Virgo. They are very attracted towards you. They could be scared. They find you very dangerous because they feel you have options and they don't trust you. Meaning, it's their own insecurity that they feel you have options, and one day you are going to leave them, one day you are going to choose someone else. If you have options, Virgo, if you are very good looking, or if this is your vibe that you get attention from people, they are scared of that. They are very insecure because of this thing. Could be possible you are very good looking and very stable person. Here, I'm feeling you are very mature as well when it comes to relationships. Like, people like you, people admire you, and they want you. You are the one for them. They are saying only you can cool my fire. They desire you, Virgo. They also know that you have cried for them, and here they are saying don't cry because of me, don't cry for me, don't cry. They know that they have hurt you. They also know that you have cried for them. They don't want to cry over them, but at the same time they don't want to lose you to someone else. You were always right, but I wasn't wrong either. Okay, so there could be some kind of argument between you guys, or you have confronted them that they should give you commitment, or you want a real deal. I feel they just sneaked away from your life, Virgo, because they did not have guts to confront what they are going through. I feel this person could be having ego as well, like they are very self-centered. At the same time, they are very insecure. They feel they are not good enough for you, and they don't even say it. They could be telling you that you deserve better, but they could be pretending like they don't have interest in you, or they could be making you feel low of yourself because they don't want to accept it that they are not the one for you, that they lack confidence and you are better than they are. We have November here, could be dealing with a scorpion. I was getting a scorpion vibe here though. I should have expressed my true feelings to you. Exactly. They never confessed their true feelings to you, Virgo, but now they are going to confess. I'm also getting at one time you could have felt that this person is in love with you, that they have very pure emotions for you when they were drunk. If this hasn't happened yet, this is going to happen. Could be possible this is going to happen in 21 days, but yes, they are going to confess how obsessed they are with you, that they like you so much. Also, they have feelings for you, they like you, they love you. Sweetheart, will you marry me? They want to have a real deal with you, but they are afraid that they are not able to afford your lifestyle. They are not able to be with such a person because they feel you are very successful, you are very beautiful, and they basically feel that they are not good enough for you. It could be anything. Maybe it's about their past, maybe it's about their childhood issues, that they feel that they are not good enough, but they are so much into you. That's what I'm getting here, Virgo. They could be acting very detached at this time. They could have ghosted you as well, but just know they are crazy for you, Virgo. You belong to me. Exactly. They are very, very attracted towards you sexually. And I'm also getting, Virgo, that could be dealing with someone like who is very average looking, but that's not the case for all of you. They find you very beautiful and very sexy as well, very attractive. I want an easy love. Exactly. They don't want to feel insecure for the rest of their life. They do want to be with you, Virgo, but they don't want to feel insecure. They don't want to feel afraid because they feel you are out of their league. Even if you want them, even if you are very emotional for them, still they feel that they are not good enough for you. And this is why they don't want to continue this relationship. That's what I'm getting here. I'm also getting that things have ended between you guys, and they could be the one who ended things, or you could be the one who walked away because of their immaturity. I get pissed when people look at your pictures. Exactly. They're stalking you, Virgo, but they don't want anyone to look at your picture. I'm also getting the main reason is they are afraid. They feel that you have options, or people admire you, people give you attention, and they are going to be insecure. This person is very insecure, Virgo. How can you not see that I do care about you? Exactly. They do care about you, Virgo. They love you so much, but they are very, very immature. Very immature person. Could be a very on and off connection between you guys, that they walked away from your life, but then they come back because they cannot afford to be at a distance with you. Still, they keep a distance between you guys emotionally, like they don't want to hurt themselves. But I also feel that they cannot do anything now because they are very emotional for you, they are obsessed with you. And this is not only sexual obsession, but they are in love with you, Virgo. And they could be feeling that they are doing a great thing by letting you go because you deserve better, but I feel that they have hurt you in this whole process. Forgive me and let's move forward. Exactly. They know they have hurt you and they are going to ask for forgiveness. They don't want you to hate them, Virgo. They also feel that you are obsessed with them, Virgo. Maybe you are very open when it comes to your feelings, but they don't speak. They don't speak at all. That's what I'm getting here. Could be dealing with a scorpion. You are inseparable. Exactly, Virgo. They think about you a lot. And they stalk you. I am also getting a vibe here that they cannot even sleep without looking at your pictures, that they definitely look at your page or pictures to see what you are up to. Like it's their routine. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, here we have let's fall in love again. This could be a very inconsistent person. This could be a very on and off connection. But yes, we have August here. So many timing cards, Virgo. I felt used. Yes, they felt used. Could be possible that it could have started as a friendship and then friends with benefits. But this is not a relationship. That's what I'm getting here. Now, that's for some of you. For very some of you, I'm getting if you were in a relationship with this person, they were very insecure and they always kept a distance. Maybe it was all in their mind, but they kept a distance, Virgo. They did not put any efforts on this relationship. They didn't try to make it work because they were always afraid that you are going to leave one day. They were insecure. So let's see. And they want to have a new start with you now. Let's fall in love again. But you have some kind of ending with this person. Neglected. They ignored you. They made you feel neglected. They could have made you feel that you are no one in their life. And for some of you, I'm getting, you could have felt that how is it possible that it was only in your head and they never felt anything. But that's not the case, Virgo. This person is very immature and what to say, like we have celebrations here. I'm also getting they are feeling very sad without you. If you feel that they are going out in parties, if they are drinking a lot, if they are happy without you, that's not the case. They want to be with you, Virgo. And I'm also getting for some of you that they could have walked away from this relationship and chose someone else because they felt that it's better to stay away from you and they wanted to get over you. That's what I'm getting here. But that situation did not work out. However, I feel for some of you that this person could have put you in a third party situation and now they are regretting it. They are realizing their mistake. I'm also getting they are feeling used. Could be possible that they got their karma and the other person made them feel this way, but this is what I'm getting here. I'm also getting they want to have a new start with you at this time, but they tried to move on. They tried to look for someone else because they were very obsessed with you. They are still very obsessed with you and they cannot handle this obsession. They know that this is very toxic, this is very harmful for them and for this relationship itself, but they are very obsessed with you, Virgo. They cannot help it. They are afraid. Also, they are afraid, they are insecure. They are into someone else. Yes, they tried to move on from you with someone else, or they went back to their ex, or they chose someone else to get over you. They also could be feeling that they are the right person for them because you are out of their league. This person definitely feels that you are out of their league, Virgo. Don't be afraid to fall in love again. But now, and here we have let's fall in love again. They definitely want to have a new start with you. Retreat from social media, drink more water, and see the magic. For some of you, I'm getting that you guys have ghosted them or they have no idea what you are up to, like you are not talking to them at all. For others of you, I'm getting it could be this person that they have blocked you or they are very closed off at this time. They just disappeared from social media. I'm also getting at the bottom we have they seek stability with you. If this was a very on and off connection, they do want to have a stability with you, Virgo, but I feel they cannot help it. They are a very inconsistent person. But they are afraid that you don't miss them. And they are very attracted towards you sexually. There could be a lot of drama between you guys. I'm getting ego clashes. So they walked away or they decided to ignore you because they couldn't handle the intensity of this relationship or your feelings. However, I feel that they are going to approach you, Virgo, and could be possible they will be drunk that time because they are afraid they cannot express their feelings that easily. I'm also getting like they will deliberately have a drink and call you, text you to express their feelings because they do want to start this again with you. But I'm getting this connection is on break at this time. Love is mutual, Virgo. There's no doubt about it. But they are not expressing their emotions and things are stagnant at this time. Nothing is going on. No one is taking action. Family could be an issue, or someone could be married here. They are afraid, Virgo. They could be afraid because of their family. Maybe they feel their family will not approve this relationship. Pride. Also, they have a lot of pride. Even if they are insecure that you are better than them, they are not going to accept it, Virgo. They will never accept it that they are very insecure or they lack confidence. Dream man, dream woman. You are their dream man or dream woman, Virgo, but they have a lot of pride. If you are very stable financially, they have a lot of pride. They don't want to be with someone who is more successful than they are or who is more good looking than they are. I don't know why, but they lack confidence and they feel you are very attractive, very successful, like you are everything. That's what I'm getting here. I'm also getting money could be an issue for some of you. They feel you are very abundant. For very some of you, I'm also getting could be possible that you are very spiritual. They feel that you are a whole package and they are not even close to those qualities that you have. They admire you for sure, and I also feel that they want you to get the best, but unfortunately, they feel they are not the best for you and you deserve someone better. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. I really hope it helped. And keep in mind, 21 days could be significant here. So, could be possible something is going to happen in 21 days, or something could have happened in the past. So, I hope it helped, Virgo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.